Hey guys, it's Erin and W back here with another video. So today I am doing a wash and go. As you can tell by the title, as you can tell by my hair, I'm doing a wash and go. So if you guys want to see how I got these results, just keep on watching. But first things first, I did get the products from Curlbox. They were having their little sale. And so I got a box, I think for $20 or $25, something like that. And 5 products came in the box. And this is my first time using them, so you guys will get first impressions, review, all of that in this video. So if you're interested, please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please make sure you leave a like on the video and comment down below any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the video. Okay, so today I am using Earth Supplied products. I use the shampoo, of course, and I actually did a mini review of the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner on my Instagram at ErinNWCurls. So go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. But I am using the rest of the products. I already put the leave-in on with some olive oil because I like to do the leave-in oil cream gel routine for my natural hair. So that's what I did. I've already done the leave-in the oil. I'm just going to define my curls with the cream and the gel. So this is a shine and hold mist. I don't think I'm gonna really use this because I looked at the instructions. Shake well, spray generously onto damp hair from roots to ends, section by section, and comb through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Also great to re-moisturize, shine, and smooth your dry hair or next day styles. I'll probably, if I use this at all, I might use it when I finish my hair, I guess, just to set everything in. I don't know, because it does say shine and hold. Or I might use it every day to refresh. I'm not really sure, but I know I'm probably not gonna use this, at least to define my curls. And then we have the Curl Poppin Activator. Oh, all of these products are made with shea butter, and there's no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, or mineral oil. So yeah, this is the Curl Poppin Activator. This one says, get those curls poppin'. Apply to damp hair for the perfect wash and go or twist out. Curls needing a quench? Apply to dry hair as needed. And the Gell-O says, get those curls drenched and dripping wet with water. Apply our Gell-O to hair section by section. Continue to add water with the spritz bottle throughout styling of hairs air drying too quickly. So it low-key sounds like you can use these separately. I'm using them together just because I actually use a lot of products from my wash and go now. So I'm gonna just use both of these just to just to see what they're talking about. So I guess let's just get into it. I don't really know. Okay, so under my cap, I had, moisturized each of my sections. I applied my leave-in, which was super duper thick. Review also on my Instagram. And I applied the leave-in and I applied the oil. And now my hair is sectioned and ready to get started with this wash and go. Okay, so beginning with my first twist. Hopefully you guys can see it pretty well. It's super duper moisturized. And it's already defined, and I didn't even put anything to define it yet. So I'm gonna start with the Curl Poppin Activator. This is thick. This is the Curl Poppin Activator. It's quite thick, very thick, honestly. Curl Poppin Activator is applied. It's pretty moisturized and defined. Now I'm gonna take some of the Gell-O. I don't even know how to grab it because it's so loose. Like that. I don't even know, y'all. I have not done washing in so long. And this is not my regular. So it looks good to me though. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Gell-O and just praying hands my hair. Just to make sure it's super defined, I'm gonna just take some of the pieces that I see that aren't that defined and shingle. Not shingling on my hair though, because I don't got time for that. That takes too long. Okay. I feel like I still see some frizz here. All right, so that's my first section done. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I really don't know, but I'm gonna just fast forward to the rest of this, and then I'll come back when I get to like a front section so y'all can see it closer again. Okay, you guys, real quick. It's I think it's gonna be a nice fluffy wash and go. Not as defined as I like, which means it's probably not gonna last as long as I like. But cause like it's just like, to me it's just too frizzy for it to come out cute. Cause the products are kind of like a light hold. Like I like wet line hold, like clump my curls together hold, but this is not really giving. And I don't know, like I low-key feel like I should probably use like a Denman brush or something like that to maybe give me more definition. But Denman brushes, they sometimes give me more frizz than definition. So I don't even want to risk it. I'm just going to keep going with this, but mark my words, I think this is going to be more of a fluffy wash and go than defined. You guys, my hair is clearly frizzy. Like this is just not it. This is not what I was expecting. Nah, but for real, like it's just frizzy. And I don't even know what to do to make it better. Like, I mean, this side's okay, but I'm just looking at like, it's like right here. This is way too frizzy for my liking. And it's this same section that I keep trying to work on. And I'm like low key, I think I'm about to just spray a whole bunch of water, slap a whole bunch of gel on there and just kind of brush and scrunch and see what happens. And I mean, I feel like I don't have too much to lose. Because it's just frizzy. Like it's not even cute at this point. It's just frizzy. And this is not the move for me at all. Alright, it's actually looking flatter. It still ain't that much defined, but it's flatter. Am I the only one who gets their hands like super dirty when I'm doing my hair? Like I be watching all these other natural hair people, and I promise you their hands are not like as like dirty as mine are. And I'm like, how do they do these, you know, wash and goes, these bomb styles, and their hands be staying clean? It just doesn't make sense. Cause my hands get like super dirty every single time. This, I mean, it don't look better, but it look better in my opinion. So that's good. I'm just gonna low-key do the same thing to this side, just right here. Cause like, I just feel like it just could be better. All right, I think this is good enough. This is the best it's gonna get, I think. Okay, yes, so this is my hair right after I got from under the dryer. Like it's a cast on it for sure. It's quite I don't know if you can hear that, but it's quite hard and crunchy. I haven't shaken it out yet because I wanted to show y'all what it looks like immediately from under the dryer. Y'all know I was really like, I still am gonna stretch it, so this is not my finished results. I'm gonna stretch it and break the cast because this gel is got a crunch on my hair. But y'all know I was like, this is gonna be and it is still like frizzy in some places, like right here. But I was like, this is just gonna be a mess, not a good wash and go. And this is like looking okay. Like I'm not mad at this. Okay guys, so my hair is dry. No, like I'm so pleased with these results. Like I'm very pleased with these results, you guys. Like I'm speechless, low key. Like y'all, these products, I am not mad at this wash and go. Like I'm just in love with this wash and go. I'm beyond happy with this wash and go. I really was so, y'all know I was like, I don't think this gonna come out cute. It's not looking defined. I'm like, my curls are usually more clumped than this. Now granted, this is more volume than I usually get the first day, but I'm so happy with this. I did stretch with my blow dryer to give it more stretch and it makes it move a little bit more, but I'm beyond happy with this wash and go. So like, go get these products, okay? I'm giving these products a 9 out of 10 together because I don't know how they work separately, so I can't really judge them separately, but together I give them a 9 out of 10 because like, look at this, look at the definition, look at the body, like this is it. Okay you guys, so I'm editing this video right now, so this is airing from the future, but I am currently on day like 5 of this wash and go, and my hair is so flaky. Like the gel turned completely white. I don't know what happened, but I do think I will give the curl activator another shot. I'm gonna probably use that with like a different gel though, but I think it was that cream Gell-O that made my hair white and flaky. Reason why I don't have a 10 is because like it tricked me. When I was defining my curls, they weren't really coming out super defined, so I had to keep getting more and more product and slapping it on there, which of course means I'm wasting product. So that's why I get a 9 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10, but I think you should get these products. I don't know how much they cost because I got them in a curl box, but I will list the products in the description, and of course the links will have the prices. That's it for this video. So if you made it to this point, please comment I'm gonna put the emoji right here, but it's that like kind of swirly emoji. I feel like that just reminds me of a curl, so comment that emoji if you see this, if you make it to this point in the video. And those people that be making it to this point in the video, I really appreciate y'all for leaving that comment. It really makes my day when I see somebody watch my full video. All right guys, I'll see you in my next one.